on the cusp of releasing technology that is utterly game-changing.
This is by far the most innovative, the biggest thing we've ever done.
This product is going to be the most impactful product in the last 50 years to hit the endotoxin market.
We have developed technology that is the first and only in the world.
It's going to completely revolutionize the endotoxin testing industry.
The industry is thirsted for innovation and automation for as long as I've been in the field.
Trying to work with a biotech plate reader and expect 100% good results all the time is a nightmare. It's impossible. I want to throw that thing off a roof. I can't wait to get rid of the biotech plate reader.
Never, ever want to do it again.
We've considered and talked to the customer to the point where we know what they need.
They're dying for this information. They're dying for extra data that they can generate to make sure that things are in control.
So we have taken direct customer feedback, implemented them into a system, shrunk it into this tiny footprint of a box, and it hits compendial requirements. It hits user needs. It hits the economic needs within an organization.
They're gonna love it and they're gonna be all over it.
I've heard customer feedback already from soft launch sites. They are incredibly excited about this. Most can't believe that we've actually accomplished what we have so far.
There's nothing like it on the market, and it solves their problems.
Their efficiency now is improved greatly.
They will be able to accomplish far more any given day than they are able to right now with the 96-well plate.
And forget about the troubles of endotoxin testing.
Sustainability is becoming a key factor in the endotoxin market.
We're able to use 90% less reagent than a standard 96-well plate assay,
while maintaining sample throughput and my compliance.
There are lots of moments that I thought this couldn't be done.
It doesn't happen overnight. You fail like 100 times.
It always has hurdles. It's always a bumpy road.
We started, on a teeny little chip of plastic, one little channel measuring fluid squirting back and forth. If you look at our wall in there, there's different sizes of these iterations of plastic discs, and kept growing. It got larger than an LP. It takes as long as it takes when you have that much breakthrough innovation.
When I see where we are now and started to see the first plate in the analyzer and see the data coming out, it was for me like a heartbeat. It's like from a young child when you have the first heartbeats coming up.
And that's taken us 7 years to get where we are, and a ton of failures and breakthroughs along the way.
But we can put all that aside because the most important thing is the fact that customers love the product when they see it.
Within a couple hours of working with it, their face just light up. I am really excited to have the sales team experience that.
Being able to walk into an account and show them how we can validate this entire system, software, plate, reader together, working together to detect endotoxin, is insurmountable when it comes to the competition selling against us. It's going to be incredible.
It's that next generation, it's that next iteration. We're there.
We're just going to absolutely shake up the market more than I think anybody quite realizes. The competition's already shook.
We've spent our life, our sweat and tears, everything into this over the last 7 years.
We are getting to the finish line. Great excitement from myself, but also a lot of members of this company.
The whole team is excited. The instrument is amazing. Kind of hard to contain.
It's been really hard holding it in. It's something we've wanted to show and brag about.
I absolutely love this product so much. Just want to be able to tell exactly what I've been doing, because people are really going to love this.
When people ask, what do you do? What have you done? This will be a highlight.
We could not be more excited for this event, for this week, for what we're gonna do.
There will be jumping.
I am so pumped.
Everybody's been waiting.
I've been waiting forever.
Oh my God, super excited. I can't even tell you. Sydney, how excited are you?
I'm very excited,
It's just like the best thing ever.
Yeah.
I'm very excited. I'm very happy. And I will be much more happy when the first instrument is sold and a customer is using it. I'm pretty sure this is, I will repeat again, revolutionary.
We're excited to hand this off to you guys.
We're super excited to have you here. We're looking forward to infusing you with everything we can endotoxin so you can leave here with all the tools you need to be successful.
You should walk out of this knowing that we finally made it with that great new product that's out there that fits this core farm industry, and we have nothing to do but go up from here.
Let's go crush sales.
And the market's going to be on fire.
This instrument is going to absolutely crush. We're going to disrupt the market so violently, we will own the entire market soon.
We'll crush it.
Finally, it's here. We can't wait to have people here and show them what we've been developing for the last 7 years.
Welcome to Boulder!
How have you kept, these characters in line? How do you keep control over this team?
That's a funny story. I knew you were coming. That's a funny.
Do we look at that? What do we do? Do I look at you? Do I look at?
Cindy Janetta and Mr. Brian Short. Scene 1, take 1.
Hooray!
Action.
How sick of Dave Kramer am I? Well, luckily, I got to have a little break and bring in Dave Wadsworth. It's been a great, refreshing move for the team.
If in love means I would propose tomorrow and potentially take the Eclipse on a extravagant honeymoon to their most wildest dreams of a location, then yes, the answer is I am head over heels, still single, so I think it's a Shrek-like love story.
Whiskey's great. I love whiskey.
I'll try that over.
The best representation in liquid form of the reader is a beer.
Yeah, I really am uncomfortable with this.
Now, I heard that y'all. Was that kind of the ode to me or the ode to Marshall Barnes?
The y'all was for Marshall Barnes.
I'm like the 18th apostle at this point, I think. I'm following into the desert, but right behind Dave and Dave.
I'm a sales guy to the bone.
Marshall Barnes.
It's something I want to go out and scream from a mountaintop or a newsroom if you're Ron Burgundy. So pumped!
I heard Dave shout as a little child. I will keep it a little bit more modest here.
Gotta say the pizza, sorry.
Geert and I are going to start a food truck, and I'm going to work side by side with him serving souvre and pommes frites.
I've never done this before. It's probably why I was not on The Bachelor or The Bachelorette.
Probably why. You're not in touch with reality. No. Okay.
I live in a dream world.
Stay classy.